Hi everyone, my name is Eddie and I released a TradingView algorithm. So now I'm going to show you how to actually get access to it and then start using it, what you need to do. Right, let's go ahead and so you'll need to get to this page. So this is the blog page where you see the return on investment that I got last week. So 51%, which is great using this algorithm. And now what you need to do is get here in the comment section and you type in your TradingView username, okay? We need your username in order to add you into this algorithm. I'm gonna do that manually. You can also join our Telegram for free, and I'm gonna be posting once a week the best performing crypto pairs in my opinion. Okay. All right. So that's all you need to do. Just comment down below. I'm gonna leave this link. I'm gonna leave this link in the bio of this video, and you'll be able to get access to this. Once you have access, you're gonna go to your trading view. You're gonna you're gonna go here under indicator and you're gonna see Eddie's rocket backtesting and also alerts under here, invite only scripts. So you're gonna click here and you're gonna see Eddie's rocket backtesting and Eddie's rocket alerts. Okay, so you're gonna click in here to start testing this algorithm. Let me remove this. For example, here, GRT has been crazy for the past 3 days now. So you'll see this amazing net profit of 150% using the 5-minute time frame, okay? Now, when you change the time frame, it's going to change the net profit because the algorithm is going to enter at a different time, right? So this is a great investment because you have 70% profitable trades, meaning that 7 out of 10 trades will win. Okay. And if you look at the performance summary, in here, if you click in the gear, you can change the initial capital that you set. Okay. So I've set here my initial capital, my order size, but you can change that and put the same value here. So we're gonna go ahead actually and change that. We're gonna put 2000 just as an example, and you'll see that it's gonna change the values here, okay? Now you see your net profit in performance summary, you see your gross profit, and then you have your gross loss, meaning this minus this. So it's important to know how much you will lose with a certain pair. And this one is not that much, because you'll win in the end 180. And we're only looking at past data. It's not predicting what's gonna be next. Not yet. Maybe in the future, but not yet. But this is a good indicator because I traded this one for 2 days and I made 40% just for this one GRT USDT pair. So it's a great indicator of success, potential success. And the drawdown is also important. You need to look at the drawdown because if you start your trade and then it suddenly goes down minus 10%, you're going to see here a drawdown of 10%, okay? And you don't really want to have something over 6%. I don't think it's healthy because you're going to freak out. So under 6%, below 6%, I think it's fine. And if you have a great, percentage of profit, then you're good, and the net profit has to be great as well. The average trade will help you set up alerts if you're using a trading bot. If you're not, then you can just take a look at this, and whenever you start buying in Binance or another exchange, make sure that whenever you're buying, here for example we see a profit of 11%, okay? I would recommend you to take profit at 7% because that's the average. So around here, okay, to be safe. And gradually you can potentially add, another percent. But you need to make sure that the market is in the right direction, still bullish. So in my opinion, be safe, take your profit around the average here, so 7%, and or even 6%, because sometimes it might be less. So 6%, and you see how it goes. Or you can even go lower if you're really conservative. You can go 4%. You can go 4%, and it's going to be a ratio of 1-to-1 almost. The drawdown might be 4%, but you're going to gain 4% in the end. That's about it with the strategy tester. Now, on the alert, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It's exactly the same actually, but you just need to create alerts whenever there is this buy, and this sell. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna give access to this specific user on the Edis Rocket alert. We still have back testing. That's great. Now we're gonna see invite there. Here we go. We have it. I'm gonna put it as a favorite. Select it. It's exactly the same graphics, but you'll have access to the alerts. If you're using in TradingView any of those broker, you can use the back testing alert. Let's check it out. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna create a new alert. You're gonna select, this is the alerts, and this is the back testing. If you select the back testing, you're only gonna select it if you have a broker that's connected with TradingView. Okay, so you can notify on the app whenever it buys and sells. Got it. And it's gonna do it automatically. To be honest, I've never tested this, so make sure that you tested maybe with $10 to make sure that this works. I know for a fact that Edis Rocket alerts work. I think this one works too. So make sure you test it, okay? This one now. This is the one that we want to see. Golden buy. You're going to select here golden buy, and then once per bar closed, because you don't want to start a trade in the middle of the candle, because you don't know how it's gonna end up being, right? It can easily go down and then you're stuck. So you want to wait for the end of the candle. Once it ends, you're gonna enter, okay? So you want the alert to be triggered once the bar is closed. Then you select whatever you want here and the message you want. And here, for example, you can use those, this specific ticker and close, and you'll be able to see what is the pair here and what is the price at which you should buy. We're gonna create this one. And it's gonna tell you that it can get repainted, which I think is fine as long as you're verifying that everything is good. I made 51% last week, so it's working, and I'm just monitoring it to make sure that everything's right. Now, let's go back and create the sell alert. Same thing. Once the bar is closed, we can trigger this alert. And if you're doing this manually, if you're buying and selling manually, you will probably see before the algorithm, you'll start seeing that it's dropping. Then just go ahead and sell before, if you really feel like, okay, no, this is gonna go down. And the way you can do that, I'm just gonna finish this, create that. Here you're set. Well, yeah, you have to actually get those 30-day free trial or pay. It's honestly a good investment because you can get 10 alerts on several coins. That's great for the pro account on TradingView. But you understand the concept, okay? Here, just to let you know, all right. If you see, for example, let's go here, and I'm gonna remove one of those. Let's say you're here. You bought here because you saw buy. And right here, you see that this candle is going way below the other red candles, right? So it probably means that it's gonna go down. But one way to be sure is to go 6 times above in a higher time frame. Well, of course, it doesn't, right? And let's go back. And I'm gonna put a vertical line just for us to, all right, here, vertical line, here we go. So we are at yesterday at 8, okay? And I'm gonna go on 15 minutes first, okay? So when you're trading, you're looking at this and you see this. So at 15 minutes, you see this huge red candle. This is a warning, because if you're trading at 5, so times 3, you will understand what's the overview. And if we're going at 30 minutes, let's see what 30 minutes, you should see, yes, something like this, okay? Now, if you're trading at 15 minutes, for example, I'm not sure that the alerts are going to be profitable as the 5 minutes. However, it's less risky. So here we're looking at, I think almost 2 days. 2 days, yeah. In 2 days, you would have made, 13% profit. So that's 100% profitable trades. This is great. If you really like it, you can just leave a comment on TradingView, to give me feedback, and also subscribe. Subscribe and join us in making money. Thank you very much, and I hope this is going to help.